babies. I think they're lovely.
We're bringing babies and their parents into care homes to come and meet and spend time with residents.
Just got a big baby.
We wanted to bring joy to both residents and to mums with babies. We know the joy and the magic it can bring to both residents and younger people.
How you doing? How you doing, baby?
But it's lovely. It's just to see how it makes him so happy.
You're quite a heavy baby.
Yeah, he is heavy.
Probably wants to rip it off.
He's going to have a go at your tash.
So we try and sing a song, the Mr. Sun song.
See how much it means to them, sort of interacting with the babies. Some of the ladies here, I think, love babies more than anyone I've ever met. They love the cuddles.
That's it.
The older people with so much experience and love, people who've worked with babies and have worked with young people for the whole of their lives, will be able to be reconnected and have a purpose and be able to support mums and dads with their babies again.